Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adlin Al-Amin bin Muhammad Zaidi. My student number is 2024409132 from class AM1101H.
Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Sharan bin Roslan. I'm from AM1101H. My metric number is 2022424 8522.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Din Shiman bin Mazhan from AM1101H. My matrix number is 2024283372.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Akif Mukris bin Mama Hafizi and I'm from AM1101H. My metric number is 2024269672. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Yes, what can I help you?
Sir, I would like to do an investment, but I don't know how to do it. Can you guys help me?
Yeah, sure. We here can assist you more about compound interest. Let's go.
Chapter 3, Compound Interest. What is compound interest? Compound interest computation is based on the principle which changes from time to time. Interest that is earned is compounded or converted into a principal and earned interest thereafter. Loan and deposit can be compounded in a variety of frequencies such as annually, quarterly, semi-annual and monthly. There are several methodologies for compound interest. P. Original principal. S. Maturity value. K. Nominal interest rate. I. Periodic interest rate. Capital I is interest amount. N. Number of interest period. M. Frequency based on 1 year. I. Interest rate per interest period. I equal to K per M. N equal to M per T. T equal to term of length in year.
Now, let's discuss Haji Mukris deposit RM5,000 in fixed deposit account from OCBC Bank that offer an annual interest rate of 2.65% compounded annually. This is our reference for the question. We go to first question. How much money he will receive after 2 years he deposit? So we input the data from the question. P is RM5,000. K is 2.65%. We convert to 0.0265. M is 1 and T is 1. So we use the compound interest formula. S equal to P bracket 1 plus K divided by M, the power of N, and we input the data S equal to 5,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0265 divide 1, the power of 2. So the answer for first question is 5,268 ringgit 0.51 cent. So now we go to the second question. After 2 years, Haji Mukris deposit another 3,500 into the account. Find the accumulated amount at the end of 3 years from the initial deposit. The interest rate is 2.65% compounded annually. So we input the data from the question. P equals to 5,268 ringgit 51 cent plus RM 3,500, and we get RM 8,768 ringgit 51 cent. K is 2.65% and we convert to 0.0265. M is 1 and T is 2. So we use the compound interest formula and we get for the S1 5,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0265 divided by 1, the power of 2. And we get S1 5,000 bracket 1.05370 and the answer for S1 is RM 5,268 ringgit 51 cent. Now for S2, RM5,268.51 plus 3,500 times 2 bracket 1 plus 0.0265 divide 1 the power of 1. And we get S2 bracket 8,768 ringgit 51 cent times to 1.0265, and the answer for S2 is 9,000 ringgit 86 cent. So the answer for the second question, accumulated amount at the end of 3 years, is 9,000 ringgit 86 cent. That's all. At the sales gallery, let's take a look about the apartment.
Okay, let's go. Wow, this mama have many blocks, and it's a good apartment to I invest my money.
Yeah, they have a sport area, and the nearest the primary school.
Let us salesman for more details.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, can I ask you for more detail about this apartment?
This apartment has 3 buildings, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3. And also it has other facilities such as the mosque, the primary school, and the conventional hall. And
Okay, sir. What about this apartment price?
so the starting price for this apartment is 590,000 K.
What's about the monthly payment for this apartment?
Let's go to my office so I can explain about it.
Oh, alright, sure.
Okay,
Let's go.
let's go.
Chapter 4. Annuity. What is annuity? Annuity means series cash outflow or payments made at regular interval. The payment must be equal. The interval between payment must be regular. Examples of annuity in this world are shop rent, housing loan, installment, and dividend. Before we jump into case study, we should know the term of annuity formula. We have big capital I, A, S, small capital N, small letter I, and R. We have I. I means amount of interest. A represent value of annuity such as the original loan, initial amount of saving. And we have S. S means future value. What is future value? Future value here means accumulate of unpaid payment and total savings. We have small capital N, which means number of payment, number of period in bracket or payment. The equation for N is N equal to M multiplied by T. The other one we have big capital I, which is periodic interest rate. Interest rate per interest period, I equal to K divided by M. And the other one, for the last one, annuity formula is R. R here means periodic payment. The formula to calculate the case study in the annuity formula, we have two, saving and loan. For saving, the equation is S equal to R in bracket, open bracket 1 plus I, the power of N minus by 1 and divided by I. To find the amount of interest, we should know the formula. The formula to find the amount of interest is I equal to S minus R in bracket N. The other formula for case study for loan, A equal to R, open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I and the power of negative N divided by I. To find the amount of interest for loan is I equal to R in bracket minus by A.
Next, I will be discussing about a problem which related to annuity, and I will be showing you guys the final result. So let's discuss. Shahran bought a condominium apartment at Putra Heights for RM590,000. He pays 10% for down payment and made a housing loan for the balance through Bank Islam for 35 years with interest of 3.8% compounded monthly. So this is our case study. Question 1. Find the monthly payment that Shahran must pay. So A is RM 590,000 minus RM 59,000 equals to RM 531,000. K is 3.8%, which is 0.038. M is 12 and T is 35 years. To solve this question, I will be using the loan formula. So let's fill in the value into the formula. So 531,000 equals to R in bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.038 per 12 close bracket power of negative 420 divide 0.038 per 12. So the final answer should be RM 2,287 and 86 cents. So let's move to the next question. After the last payment on 30 years, Shahran want to settle the balance of the loan immediately. What is the outstanding balance Shahran need to pay? So as you guys can see, this is a special case question. To solve this question, I will be using the advance payment formula. So let's fill in the value first. A60 equals to 2,287.86 in bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.038 per 12 close bracket power of negative 60 divide 0.038 per 12. So the outstanding payment that Shahran need to pay is RM 124,839 and 54 cents.